everybody, so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today. So today's video is going to be slightly different in that I'm going to have to split it into 3 different videos because of the size and quantity of bath bombs that I have just bought. So I received a parcel. Actually, I received 2 this size, and I bought them obviously. However, I feel like in one video it's going to be far too long, so I'm going to split it into 3 because then I can show you about 16 to 20 bath bombs per video because I've bought that many. So I hope you guys enjoy. These are obviously the bath bombs from the new LUSH section on the website. They've released about 30 to 50 new bath bombs and I've basically bought them all. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I do apologise in advance about the length of these videos because they're probably going to be quite long, but also I wanted to split them into 3 because then they're not going to be as long as if it was one big video, if that makes sense. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, carry on watching and enjoy the amount of bath bombs and money I have just spent. So yeah, enjoy. So the first bath bomb is this one. This is called Holder, I think it's called, and it was £5.95. It's got a really beautiful purple top to it and a kind of bumpy bottom bit to it, and it's a really light kind of vivid green colour. In terms of the scent, it kind of smells like a mixture. It's kind of a mixture between melon and lavender, and then also like not tea tree but kind of something else. I don't know, it's not my favourite. It is quite earthy, but for the way it looks I'd give it like a 10 out of 10. And the glitter on top is like holographic. It's so pretty, so I do really like the way this one looks, I'm not gonna lie. Next up we have a classic, and this is So White. This one has been out for a few Christmases. Smells like fresh crisp apples. It's so good. And I don't know whether this one is going to be green or is going to be red on the inside. I can't remember what the latest one was. I feel like it was green. This one costs £3.95. I can't remember if I said that already, but yeah, £3.95. So it's a little bit cheaper than the other one, but it's just a classic. It's a really, really fresh fragrance. Love that. You can't go wrong with So White. It's such a lovely kind of staple. I'm really glad that they brought that back out because it's just one of my faves. A bath bomb which I have had previously is this one. This is the Comforter, and this is just stunning. Like, I love the way this looks. It looks so cool, so different. And it smells like blackcurrant. It's so nice. In terms of price, this one is £3.95, so the same price as So White, and it just smells like blackcurrant. I just got that on my face. Really, really sweet. If you've tried the Comforter, then you will know what this smells like, but if you haven't, it's basically like blackcurrant squash. Like, it's so sweet, so good. Like, it's one of my all-time favourite fragrances, and I just really like the shape of this. I think it's really unique and different, so it's something that would be really cool as a gift because I don't think a lot of people would have seen something like that, so definitely a good one to go for. The next bath bomb is one which I have been so excited to smell, but I haven't smelt it yet, so you are going to get my first impression on camera, and that is the Yuzu and Cocoa bath bomb. Now, Yuzu and Cocoa has been one of my all-time favourite fragrances for the longest time. I bought the shower jelly fairly recently, which you guys would have seen in my latest video, and I loved the shower gel. The Bubble Rune was my all-time favourite, and now they've brought out a bath bomb which I am so excited about, so I'm gonna smell it. In terms of price, this one costs, I think it's £3.95 as well. Let me just double check. Yes, so this one is £3.95 as well. Oh my god, that smells heavenly. That is so good. It's so accurate to the bubble bar, to the shower gel, and to the shower jelly. Like, it's exactly the same, and I love how this looks because it's just really simple, so I imagine there's probably not much going on inside. I could be totally wrong, but that's a really, really lovely one. I really like the smell of that, and our hands are glittery. There's glitter everywhere. The next bath bomb is this little guy. This is called Kappa, I think it's called, yes, and it's just so cute because it looks like it has eyes. I just really, really think it's adorable. This one costs £5.95, and again, I haven't smelt it, so let's give it a go. That smells like watermelon. Has it got watermelon in it? Hang on, I'm gonna have to check now. Cucumber, that's it. Not watermelon. I was lying. It smells like cucumber. So fresh. That's nice if you want something that's gonna be quite colourful but you don't like the overpowering scents. Like, this one's just very subtle. But to me the cucumber does smell like watermelon, so I'm a little bit confused. But that one's so cute. Look at him. Just really like the way he looks, really adorable. Reminds me of the Monsters Ball bath bomb which we had at Halloween, so I'm a big fan of that one. The next bath bomb is one which I'm gonna pronounce wrong, and this is the Melusin something. It's £5.95 anyway, and it's this one. So this one looks like a mermaid's tail, and it's so pretty. It's got a subtle bit of glitter on top, but it basically looks like it has scales all over it. That smells like something I've smelled before. What is that smell? Oh, someone please comment down below what this is supposed to smell like, because it's honestly going to drive me insane. But that smells amazing though. Whatever that's supposed to smell like, it smells incredible. And I just love the way this looks as well. I imagine in the water it's going to be super pretty, and it's meant to look like a mermaid kind of bath water situation. But yeah, that is so, so nice. It's kind of fresh. It's like kind of fruity. Kind of kalakasy, but not, if that makes any sense. Like limey. Yeah, so good anyway. Regardless of what that smells like, I do love this one. It's so nice. The next one is again one which I have had before, and that is the Blackberry bath bomb. This one again has had a revamp, and it looks so cool. I love these ones where they've got the bubbles all over. I just think they look actually like berries, which I'm really, really enjoying. And again, it just smells like Blackberry bath bomb. This one costs £3.95 again, so it is a little bit more on the cheaper side compared to the other ones. Their prices have definitely gone up though. Like, I did notice a lot of you guys agree with me in one of my last videos where I thought the prices had gone up, and you guys agreed with me, because I feel like this would have been like £2.50 back in the day. But yeah, love that one. Classic Blackberry fragrance. Really big fan of that, and I just really like the shape of it. It's just very satisfying. So a 10 out of 10 for me on that one. The next one is called Peng, and this one is again £5.95, and it looks like a beach ball. It's really, really cute. I love the colours. And again, this does smell familiar. What is that? It's like slightly spicier though. It's like fresh and spicy. Really, really like the smell of that. I'm just going to see the ingredients of this one, because I do notice like some of the scents in it, but I just can't pinpoint what it is. Sandalwood, rosewood. Yeah, it's really, really earthy. But that one's very, very nice. If you like your incense sort of scent, you'll really like this one. It's very incensey. Not what I expected from the colour though. I thought it was going to smell kind of like lemon or something, but I really like it, and I think it's probably more of a simple one, especially in the water. But yeah, really, really like that. It's really nice and kind of like a mature scent, if you know what I mean. The next bath bomb is again another one which I'm not going to be able to pronounce right, and this is called Worry PAH. I think it's supposed to mean no worries. And this one again is £5.95, and it's just a plain white bath bomb, but it has a hole which I believe is full of purple luster. I'm not really sure like what the idea behind this was, but that again smells really familiar. That smells like that rabbit bath bomb from Easter like a few years ago. Was it like Hoppity Poppity or something? No. Parma Violet. That bubble bar, that's what this smells like. That's really, really nice. I don't really understand like what this hole is about. I'm assuming there's like going to be some colours on the inside or something, but that does smell incredible. Parma Violet-y. My mum would really love this one, so yeah, that's really, really nice. And again, kind of subtle, but it's definitely got a sweeter sort of smell to it, so that's really, really nice. Next up is one again which I believe I've had before, and this is the Honey I Washed the Kids bath bomb. Very, very sweet. Smells like honey obviously, and this one is £3.95 again. So, so good. It's got bath oils in it though, so it's going to make your skin incredibly, incredibly soft. And if you're the sort of person that does have a bath to relax more so than has glitter and kind of fun with it, this would be a really nice one. I imagine the water would probably go a really weird pea yellow. However, if you don't mind that so much, then this one is going to be a really nice one. It's going to be so moisturising on the skin, and I just think it's a really classic scent, especially for Lush. It's one of their kind of older ones, so if you've been a Lushy for a long time, this is one that you'll really, really enjoy. Next is probably one of the cutest looking ones, and this is the Lucky Cat bath bomb. Absolutely covered in luster. Like, look at my finger. It's so, so sparkly. So if you don't like sparkles, this one probably isn't for you. In terms of price, this is £3.95. So to be honest with you, I think in terms of that price range, this is my favourite so far. Scent wise, again, I've smelt that scent before, but I can't pinpoint what it is. It's got kind of a sweet scent to it, but also there's definitely like a layer to it. I'm gonna look at the ingredients on the website a second and just see what that smell is. It's jasmine, neroli and ylang ylang, and I feel like they've put that together before. Like, it's almost like frozen, but it's not, if you know what I mean. That one is really, really nice though, and honestly, the way this looks is just adorable. I think honestly, if you're a cat person, this is a 10 out of 10 for me. I really, really like it. I'm more of a dog person, but the way this looks is definitely adorable, and it smells really, really good. It's very uplifting as well, so if you know someone's going through a hard time or something, that would be one that I would definitely go for. My fingers are now stained pink though, so I don't know where to wipe that. Next up is the Gold Rush bath bomb, and this little guy was £5.95, which, I'm not being funny, but what is going on with the prices? Like, this one is £3.95 and that one is £5.95. Like, why is there a £2 difference between one that's smaller than the other one. I have no idea. Hopefully this is going to be like a miracle worker in the bath, because for that sort of money you want it to be amazing. This one smells like lemon. That is super citrusy. Really nice though. But yeah, I wouldn't pay £5.95 for this, I'm not gonna lie, but I really wanted to get it for the video, so that's my kind of reasoning to buy it, I suppose. But yeah, that's almost a bit too citrusy, like it kind of hurts my head a little bit. But it is nice. I don't know whether it's £5.95 worth, so I'll let you guys know definitely down below if it's worth it. The next one is the Tumeric Latte, and this is probably the one I've been most excited to smell because I love coffee, as you guys know, so I'm a real big fan of things that smell like coffee, and if this doesn't smell like coffee, I'm probably going to be quite disappointed, I'm not going to lie. This one is £6.95 though, so it is a little bit more expensive. Doesn't smell like coffee. That does smell really good though. It's like vanilla-y, but oh, on my nose. There's definitely other scents in it. Again, I'm gonna check the ingredients because I feel like it's quite hard to like explain it. This one has turmeric powder, gardenia extract, tonka and vanilla. So it is quite sweet. But I really like this one actually. I'd give that one like a 9 out of 10. So good. I've got glitter everywhere, honestly. If you could see my room right now, there is glitter everywhere. Next is one called, I believe, Yokozuna, I want to say, and this one again is £6.95. It is a little bit more expensive, but it looks like a little sumo wrestler, so he is quite adorable. Scent wise, he smells like butterball, so it's kind of underwhelming, if you know what I mean. Like, it's a little bit anticlimactic because it's just a bit boring. I don't know if that's just my opinion. I feel like butterball is kind of plain as it is, leave it as it is, and make other ones smell just a bit more, I don't know. I feel like if this smelled like cinders, I'd be all over it. But it's a bit average. But I do like it. He is really cute. And I think that if you are kind of into your sort of plainer scents, you will like this one. So just not my cup of tea. And last but not least for part 1 is this one. This is called Groovy Kind of Love. And I've honestly wanted to have this bath bomb for so long. Ever since I saw it at the Lush showcase maybe a year ago. This smells amazing. What is that smell? I don't even know what that smells like. But that is incredible. That is my favourite so far. This one costs £5.95 and it is definitely worth it in my opinion. It's my favourite. I wish I bought like 10 of these now. But that is so good. 10 out of 10. Amazing. I'm glad we finished on a high because this one is so good. Go and smell this one. I believe a lot of the stores have this one, especially in stock. So go and give it a smell because it is insane. So good. That one, I'd eat it. So that is all for part 1 of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to stick around on my channel, put the notifications bell on and subscribe so you don't miss part 2 and 3 of this massive bath bomb haul because it's absolutely ridiculous how much I bought. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.